Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to do another secret box unboxing video. So let's get started. Here we have received our package. You can see it's nicely taped from all the sides. It's some damage from here, but it looks okay. Now we will open it. And it's opened. Now we will take out our product. So these are oven mitt gloves which I have ordered from Amazon.in. These are of medium size. You can see its price and packing date, code, all of that in here. So here we have another list. It's our bill. Now we will open it. Now we have opened them. It fits nicely to my hands and they are so much soft and handy. Here is some thread, but it's okay. And here are two loops that we can use for hanging. Overall it's very nice, and you can see the cloth inside it, it's cotton, and outside it's silver color. If you like this unboxing video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe.